So hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joey. I'm the product manager at Team Robosell, and today I'm going to discuss the best practices for abandoned checkout email subject lines, preview text, and sender names to help Shopify merchants recover lost sales with our app Robosell. So the best practice for the email sender is to use your own brand name. So don't create another name or something that your customers are unfamiliar with. So just tell your customers who you are. That's basic but efficient. And when it comes to subject lines and preview text, there are so many tips out there, such as making them short, evoking curiosity, personalizing with the customer's name, using emojis correctly, and avoiding spam triggers and using sentence case. So while these tips are correct for most email marketing scenarios, in this video I want to present something different. So I collected the top abandoned checkout recovery email from 6 DTC brands from different industries. So you can slightly adjust one of them to use or A/B test those subject lines and preview texts one by one for the best practice. And these 6 brands are Shopify Email Automation, SHEIN, Anker, Allbirds, and Alter. And all of them follow the tip of making the subject line short. And only 3 of them used the preview text in their email, and their preview texts are quite simple. So in abandoned checkout recovery emails, if you have already told customers who you are with the sender name and the purpose of the email with the subject line, then preview text is not necessary. So in order to simplify and streamline the process, you can use Robosell, a specialized abandoned checkout recovery tool. You can find and install it in Shopify App Store and get the 100 free abandoned checkout recoveries from the pop-up. And then go to sender, add your own sender with your brand name, and then go to automation, open A/B test and open branch A, and where you can see the subject line and the preview text we generated for you, and then you can just leave it there, then open branch B and try from SHEIN's subject lines and the preview texts. So do this several times and run all the tactics, then check the data every 3 days, 5 days, and a week to find the subject line and the preview text with the best conversion rate. So that's it for today's video. All the email elements mentioned in the video have been listed below in the description. And don't forget to install Robosell with your Shopify store to start A/B testing those subject lines and preview texts. And if you have any other problems using our app, or you are interested in learning more about abandoned checkout recovery, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.